Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I've partnered up with Sephora inside JCPenney, and we're gonna be talking about a brand that I really love, IT Cosmetics. So IT Cosmetics actually stands for Innovative Technology. I'm not sure if you guys knew that, but it does. And what I really love about this brand is that these products were developed with plastic surgeons and dermatologists. So if you are into taking care of your skin, if you love skincare and anti-aging benefits and products that contain those benefits, then this is the brand you really want to try and check out. Even if you're not into anti-aging or skincare, these products contain everything you need. So by just applying one of them, you're getting so much more benefit out of it than what you really think you're using. That's the main thing I wanted to stress to you guys about IT Cosmetics, is they are more than just a skincare and makeup brand. Their products are all-in-one treatments, and there's way more than what meets the eye. I love the messaging behind this brand and how they're all about feeling confident in yourself with and without makeup. I'm really into skincare, and I love when I can use a product that is actually treating my skin. And if I can do that with makeup, I am going to do that as much as I possibly can. All of the products I'm using in today's video are available at your local Sephora inside JCPenney, and I'm gonna have every single one of them listed below in the description box. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my skin with this product. It is the Confidence in a Cream, and this is a transforming moisturizing super cream. This is an anti-aging moisturizer, so this is really nice to put on before you apply your makeup in the morning, and also you can use this before you go to bed. It has a ton of anti-aging properties in it. It has ceramides, peptides, and my favorite, hyaluronic acid, which is going to really deeply hydrate the skin. There might be a lot of steps that you're taking in your skincare routine with serums and moisturizers and oils, and this is actually just a one-step treatment. So it's going to reduce the look of pores, fine lines, wrinkles, and this is an all-in-one anti-aging product. It says it's quick absorbing, so when you apply it to your skin's gonna really suck it up immediately. It's hypoallergenic and allergy tested, so if you have sensitive skin, like myself, a lot of products I cannot use, you'll really like this because it is made for sensitive skin. It smells really good too. I don't know what the scent is, it just smells fresh. I guess that's the way I would describe it. So I'm really excited about this next step. It's actually going to be our base. We're gonna be using IT Cosmetics, I feel is probably their most popular product. And I know you guys have heard of it. It is the Your Skin But Better CC Cream. This is unlike any CC cream that I have personally ever used or ever heard of. This has so many products within it. It is not just a CC cream. It is so much more than that. So this is gonna replace your serum that you apply in the morning and your brightening serum. So this is actually gonna brighten your skin and also give you that hydration. This also is gonna be your SPF. So if you do apply SPF in the morning, this already has SPF 50 plus UVA and UVB in this product, and I'm so guilty of forgetting to apply my SPF every day. Also, a lot of sunscreens burn my skin because I have more of sensitive skin. I apply it and just all in this area under my eyes and on my cheeks is burning like fire. So I love that this has a sunscreen in it that is for sensitive skin. It's gonna take the place of your moisturizer because it is clinically proven to hydrate your skin instantly, and it's also going to take the place of your primer. So if you do apply a primer before your foundation and before your makeup, you're not going to need to if you use this product because it instantly blurs your pores. This is also going to take the place of your full coverage foundation because it has great coverage, and of course it is color correcting. So if you do have hyperpigmentation and discoloration, maybe rosacea, this is gonna help balance out your skin tone. Also, if you suffer from under eye circles, which I personally can say that I do a lot of the time, you do not need to use a concealer with this. So if you want to skip out and just apply this all over your face, you will not need a concealer because this is so full coverage. You can smooth this in like any of your other skincare products by just using your fingertips and blend this all over your face, but I'm actually going to be using a brush from IT Cosmetics. This is the number 7 Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection Brush, and one side is an all over like foundation brush and the other side is a concealer brush, which is really cool. So you could kind of go in and conceal certain areas on your face or use this under your eyes. If you're a fan of Makeup by Mario, I actually attended one of his master classes and he was using this exact brush to blend foundation. He uses it a lot, and you guys, he does skin like no other. This is an amazing brush for complexion. Moving on to concealer, we're going to be using the Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer, which is so amazing that it's waterproof because with these summer months coming up, it's going to get really hot, and this is perfect for this time of year. This is also an anti-aging concealer, so the same with the CC cream. This had a lot of anti-aging properties in it. This also does as well. This contains antioxidants, collagen, peptides, and that hyaluronic acid, which is going to really hydrate under the eyes. And this concealer is full coverage, so you really don't need a lot of it. I'm going to be using the shade Light Buff, and you can actually warm this up with your fingers and just tap it under your eyes, but I'm going to be using a brush today. I'm using the Heavenly Luxe Dual Airbrush Concealer Brush. This is a number 2 brush, and there is actually 2 ends to it. So one is buffing, that side's a little bit more fluffy, so you can really blend it out under the eyes. And then this one is pretty flat. This is the smoothing side, so you can lay down the concealer with this side and tap it in as well. Consistency of this concealer is really nice because it has a little bit of slip to it. It's not a matte concealer. There is a lot of hydration with this, so if you do have dry under eyes, this is going to be amazing for you, and it really does reduce the look of like lines under your eyes. If you do have a lot of lines and dryness, this is going to smooth that out really nicely. I'm going to go ahead and set all of the concealer and CC cream in with powder, and this is the Bye Bye Pores Poreless Finish Airbrush Powder. This is actually airbrushing in a jar right here, so it's going to give you that mattified look, but it's still going to look flawless. So I am a little bit shiny, and I want to matte out kind of like the center of my face and also set under my eyes. This is clear, so it will work on every skin tone. And I'm going to be using the Heavenly Luxe Wand Ball Powder Brush. This is number 8. If you guys have never felt the IT Cosmetics brushes, they feel so soft. They're the softest brushes I've ever touched. I always like to go in and just tap a little bit into the lid. And I'm going to go ahead and swirl my brush in this. I'm just going around and setting my whole face, and this is going to give me a little bit more of a matte look, but also minimize my pores. So if you do have larger pores, you'll really like this powder because it does blur those away and gives you that airbrush look. Also, if you do like touching up midday, you can pop this in your purse because it does have a little powder puff inside, so you can just kind of touch up when you need to. So this next product is really cool. This is the Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil, and what I think is very interesting about this pencil is that no matter what hair color you have, you can use this. It's all about the pressure. So if you have darker hair like myself, you're gonna add more pressure to get a darker color. If you're blonde, you can just be really light-handed with it and get more of that blonde brow shade. I think that's pretty awesome because depending on if you do change your hair a lot or if you want a darker look or a lighter look, it's all about your pressure. The tip of this brow pencil is really nice because it is slightly angled, so you can get a precise brow with this. And it does have a spoolie on the other side for you just to comb through. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my eye makeup off camera. All the products I'm gonna be using for my eyes are available at Sephora inside JCPenney, and they will all be linked down below. And when I come back, I'm gonna share with you guys the Superhero Mascara. I'm really excited about this mascara because personally, I think it is one of the best mascaras out there that you can purchase, and it is called the Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. So in this mascara, there is an elastic stretch polymer that actually stretches your lashes so they are super long and also widens them for that volume. So you don't need to curl your lashes or anything before using this. So you guys may not know this because I actually just found this out not too long ago. It's very interesting. So when our lashes go through their life cycle, they last about 2 to 3 months, and we constantly have new lashes growing in. So all of our lashes are different sizes, and with most mascaras, the wand is just one bristle size all around. The cool thing about this is that the bristles are all different, so they're gonna coat each and every lash that we have evenly to get the full length and volume. And you guys, I'm not kidding, when you try this brush, it is life-changing. It is so good. And I'm gonna show you one eye with it and then the other one without, so you can see the difference. Another great thing about this mascara, you guys, is it actually contains peptides, proteins, biotin, lash lifting polymers, and collagen. So not only is this going to make your lashes look really good, it's also very good for the health of your lashes. So you're actually taking care of your lashes when you apply mascara. Here's the difference, you guys. This mascara is so volumizing. My lashes look so thick, and you can really tell too when I look down, you can see how dark and thick they are. Like, my lashes stick out straight, they do not curl, and this really gives me that lift and volume, and my lashes are just sad. I do not have super long, beautiful lashes, but this really gives me the look of almost like a natural falsie. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this look by adding like a peachy blush. I'm gonna be using the Heavenly Luxe French Boutique blush brush. This is number 4. It is super fluffy. The bristles are really light and soft, and the shape of it too, it actually shapes your cheeks out. So I like to hold it like this, just with the larger part kind of angled down, so it almost gives me like a slight blush contour. So I'm gonna pick up a little bit of the peach blush I'm using. I'll have it linked down below. And I'm just gonna angle it upwards. Because it's super soft, it just really diffuses the color so nicely. And this is the perfect bronzer brush. So if you want an all over soft bronze, this is a perfect brush for that. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really loved everything I used in this tutorial, and if you are interested in trying products that have a lot of skincare benefits in them, this is the brand to check out. IT Cosmetics, almost all of their products have anti-aging ingredients, and if you're someone that isn't into skincare and you don't want to take 5 to 10 different steps when it comes to your skincare routine, this is a great way to start because all of these products have more than one benefit. They have multiple ingredients inside them that are going to help you with your skin, and they're great for sensitive skin. All the products I used in today's video, you guys can check out at Sephora inside JCPenney. And if you do want to get matched for the CC cream or the concealers, they do matching in store. You can do the Color IQ or have someone in store match you to your perfect shade. And that's what I really love about shopping in Sephora inside JCPenney. So be sure you utilize that when you head over there if you're looking for your perfect match. And if you guys want to see my before and after photo, I'm gonna have a before with no makeup on and then this final look on my Instagram. So be sure you head over there to check it out so you could see the amazing difference that there is with these products. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure you like this video if you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next tutorial.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in.